Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best Android tablets that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G. Meet the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G, an 11-inch Android tablet built for entertainment, multitasking, and everyday productivity. With 5G connectivity, a large display, upgraded chipset, and quad speakers, this tablet delivers a smooth experience for work and play. Priced at around $279.99, the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G offers strong value for users who want a reliable Samsung tablet with a big screen, long battery life, and modern Android 16 features without spending flagship-level money. Big 11-inch display. The large 11-inch screen makes streaming movies, browsing, reading, and gaming much more enjoyable. The slim bezels also help create a more immersive viewing experience. 5G plus Wi-Fi connectivity. With built-in 5G support and Wi-Fi connectivity, users can enjoy fast internet speeds almost anywhere using supported cellular networks. Upgraded performance. Samsung includes an upgraded chipset that helps apps launch faster and improves multitasking performance. Whether you're switching between apps or watching videos, the tablet stays responsive. Android 16 experience. Running Android 16, the tablet brings modern features, better security, and improved customization options for everyday users. Multi-window display. The multi-window feature allows users to run multiple apps side by side, making studying, browsing, messaging, and productivity much easier. Quad speakers. Quad speakers deliver louder and more immersive sound quality, which is great for movies, YouTube, music, and gaming. Long battery life. Samsung designed the Tab A11 Plus with long-lasting battery performance, allowing users to stream, browse, and work for extended hours without constantly charging. 128GB storage. The 128GB internal storage gives users plenty of room for apps, photos, videos, and files. Pros. Large and comfortable 11-inch display. 5G connectivity for faster mobile internet. Good battery life for daily use. Quad speakers improve media experience. Smooth multitasking with multi-window support. Affordable price for a Samsung 5G tablet. Cons. Not as powerful as premium Galaxy Tab models. Display may not offer flagship-level brightness or refresh rate. Cameras are basic for photography enthusiasts. Charging speed may feel average compared to high-end tablets. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, a slim and lightweight Android tablet designed for entertainment, productivity, and everyday multitasking. With 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, Dolby Atmos speakers, and AI features, it delivers a premium experience at a mid-range price. At $309.99, the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus offers excellent value for users who want a large display, strong multitasking performance, long battery life, and generous storage without paying flagship tablet prices. Large 11-inch display. The big 11-inch screen is perfect for watching movies, browsing, online classes, gaming, and productivity tasks. The larger display also improves multitasking. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. With 8GB RAM, the tablet handles multitasking smoothly, while the massive 256GB storage provides plenty of room for apps, games, videos, and documents. Expandable storage support. Need more space? The expandable storage option allows users to add extra memory for even more content and files. Optimized performance. Samsung's optimized hardware and Android 16 software help apps run smoothly for daily use, streaming, and light gaming. Dolby Atmos quad speakers. The Dolby Atmos speaker system creates immersive sound with clearer vocals and richer audio, making movies and music much more enjoyable. AI assist features. Built-in AI tools help improve productivity, search, organization, and smart recommendations for a more modern user experience. Long-lasting battery. The tablet is designed to provide long hours of usage, making it ideal for travel, school, or work without frequent charging. Slim and lightweight design. Despite its large display, the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus remains slim and lightweight, making it comfortable to carry and use anywhere. 2-year warranty. Samsung includes a 2-year warranty, adding extra peace of mind for long-term use. Pros. Large and immersive 11-inch display. Smooth multitasking with 8GB RAM. Huge 256GB internal storage. Expandable storage support. Dolby Atmos speakers sound impressive. Slim and lightweight design. Long battery life for daily usage. Good overall value for the price. Cons. Not designed for heavy professional gaming. Cameras are decent but not flagship level. Display refresh rate may be limited compared to premium tablets. Charging speed may feel average. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, a lightweight Android tablet built for students, note-taking, entertainment, and everyday multitasking. It features a 10.9-inch display, included S Pen, AI tools, and expandable storage up to 2 TB. At just $54.97, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite offers incredible value for users looking for a budget-friendly Samsung tablet with premium features like S Pen support, AI tools, and a large display. 10.9-inch LCD display. The large 10.9-inch LCD screen provides a comfortable viewing experience for streaming, studying, reading, and browsing. Included S Pen. The included S Pen makes note-taking, drawing, editing, and navigation much easier, especially for students and creative users. Exynos 1380 processor. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, the tablet delivers smooth everyday performance for multitasking, video streaming, and casual gaming. 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. With 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, users get reliable multitasking performance and enough room for apps, files, and media. Expandable storage up to 2 TB. Need more storage? The tablet supports microSD expansion up to 2 TB, making it ideal for storing movies, photos, and documents. AI tools plus Circle to Search. Samsung includes smart AI tools and Circle to Search functionality for faster searching, productivity, and easier daily use. Long battery life. The long-lasting battery helps users enjoy extended screen time for classes, entertainment, and travel without frequent charging. Slim and portable design. The lightweight design makes the tablet easy to carry around for school, office work, or travel. Pros. Large and comfortable 10.9-inch display. Included S Pen adds extra productivity. Expandable storage up to 2 TB. Good battery life for daily use. Useful AI features and Circle to Search. Lightweight and portable design. Excellent value for the price. Cons. LCD display is not as vibrant as AMOLED. Performance is best for casual use, not heavy gaming. Cameras are basic. Charging speed may be average. Number 2. FEONAL 11-inch Android 16 tablet. Introducing the FEONAL 11-inch Android 16 tablet, a budget-friendly 11-inch tablet with Android 16, 5G Wi-Fi, 4G LTE support, large memory capacity, and a full HD display designed for entertainment and everyday productivity. Priced at only $129.98, this FEONAL tablet offers impressive specs for the price, including 20GB RAM, 128GB storage, cellular support, and an 11-inch FHD screen, making it a strong value option for budget users. Large 11-inch FHD display. The 11-inch in-cell Full HD display delivers sharp visuals and a larger viewing area for movies, gaming, browsing, and online classes. Android 16 operating system. Running Android 16, the tablet provides updated features, improved app compatibility, and a modern user experience. 20GB RAM plus 128GB storage. With up to 20GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, the tablet is designed for smoother multitasking and enough space for apps, videos, and files. Octa-core MTK8786 processor. The octa-core MediaTek processor helps handle daily apps, streaming, social media, and casual gaming with stable performance. 4G LTE plus 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Users can stay connected almost anywhere thanks to 4G LTE cellular support and fast 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. It also supports T-Mobile SIM cards. Dual cameras. The tablet features a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera for video calls, online meetings, and casual photography. Long battery life. Built for extended usage, the battery supports long hours of browsing, entertainment, and work without frequent charging. Slim and portable design. The lightweight gray design makes the tablet easy to carry for school, travel, or office use. Pros. Affordable price for the specifications. Large 11-inch Full HD display. 4G LTE and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Generous RAM and storage capacity. Expandable and portable design. Good for streaming, browsing, and casual multitasking. Cons. Performance may not match premium tablets. Cameras are basic for photography. Build quality may feel less premium. Heavy gaming performance could be limited. Number 1. WXUNJA Android 16 Tablet. Meet the WXUNJA Android 16 tablet, an affordable 11-inch Android tablet packed with big memory, long battery life, Widevine L1 support, and smooth everyday performance for entertainment and productivity. At just $109.99, this tablet offers impressive value with 28GB RAM, 128GB storage, dual-band Wi-Fi, and an included protective case, making it a strong budget-friendly option. Large 11-inch display. The 11-inch display gives users a comfortable viewing experience for movies, YouTube, browsing, online classes, and gaming. Android 16 operating system. Running Android 16, the tablet provides updated features, improved security, and better app compatibility. 28GB RAM plus 128GB storage. With up to 28GB RAM and 128GB ROM, the tablet handles multitasking smoothly while offering enough storage for apps, games, and media. Expandable storage up to 1TB. Need more space? The tablet supports microSD expansion up to 1TB for additional movies, photos, and files. Octa-core processor. The octa-core chipset delivers stable performance for daily apps, streaming, social media, and casual gaming. Widevine L1 support. Widevine L1 certification allows higher quality HD streaming on supported platforms like Netflix and other video apps. 8000 mAh battery. The large 8000 mAh battery helps provide long hours of entertainment, study, and work on a single charge. Dual Wi-Fi plus GPS plus FM. The tablet supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for better wireless connectivity, plus built-in GPS and FM radio support. Cameras and included case. It includes a 5MP rear camera and 8MP front camera for video calls and casual photography, along with a protective case included in the box. Pros. Affordable price for the specifications. Large 11-inch display. Huge RAM capacity for multitasking. Expandable storage up to 1TB. Widevine L1 for HD streaming. Large 8000 mAh battery. Protective case included. Dual-band Wi-Fi support. Cons. Cameras are basic. Performance is better for casual use than heavy gaming. Display quality may not match premium tablets. Build materials may feel less premium. If you want a budget-friendly Android tablet with a large display, strong battery life, and solid everyday performance, the WXUNJA Android 16 tablet is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and offers, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and deals.